good. How are you, Arshdeep Kaur, madam?
I'm fine, sir. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm excellent. Thank you. I'm excellent. I'm always fantastic.
Yeah,
Am I always?
great.
Yes.
Yeah, we
Where are
should.
Yeah,
I'm
please,
from
please.
Punjab. I'm
Punjab.
from Punjab. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. I see. Well, Punjab, it's a huge state. Where exactly in Punjab?
I'm from Amritsar. Amritsar, maybe
Amrit-
you know about it.
Yes, yes. I have
Amritsar.
heard. Yes, I have heard about Amritsar, but never
Yeah,
ever visited in Amritsar.
yeah, I know. So, are you from Gujarat?
Yes,
Right?
yes.
I'm right?
Yes, yes. You are right. I am from Gujarat, Surat.
Yeah, yeah. I have watched your so many videos.
Yes.
So that's why I know about you very well. Yeah.
You know everything about me, Ashdip?
Yeah, mostly I know about you, you can say, but
Yes, yes.
I'm not sure if you asked me any specific question and I got stuck. And yeah,
That's great. So, what do you think about my video? Are you enjoying my videos?
yeah, your video is fantastic, you can say, and my friends also watch your videos, and she got and you can say they got confidence that if Arif can speak in English, then why not? We can
Yes, yes,
also, speak
yes.
in English. And yeah,
I,
I recommended your video to so my to my friends, and they was amazed to see your English, and you are too confident, and we are not. So that's why.
so, have you think that how I got this confidence? What do you think? How I got this kind of a
I
confidence?
think
You
I think you did a lot of practice, I think,
know?
and I think you learn from English to English, which is, I think, is the main thing as far as I know.
Mhm.
And I watch your video, and I get this type, I get this idea that your English is good because of you practice a lot, and you watch movies in English, and you listen music, and you practice vocabulary. You write down a vocabulary word which you came across from anywhere, and yeah, this is how you learn you learn English. Yeah.
I see. You are
Am I
right.
right?
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely
Yeah.
right.
I also follow this strategy, and it worked, you can say, in my English also. I was not able to speak any word in English before, because my schooling is not in English, and you
Mhm.
can say that was in Punjabi medium and Hindi medium. So I never got any confidence to speak in English. But after watching your video, I got an idea that no, I think something is missing in my strategy which I am using. So that's why I'm not able to speak. But after I apply this strategy, and it works, and yeah, I got confidence. You can say some
Yeah,
confidence.
that's great. But could you please tell me in detail that what kind of a strategy did you apply in your daily life routine so people get to know about more about you, if you don't mind?
Yeah, yeah. I have been practicing English for last 2 months, and I got a 1 month course on Cambly, and
Yes.
there I told them that I never speak a single word in English before, and because my environment is not you can say in English, and I find so difficulties while speaking with someone, and they said it's very easy language. You can learn it from English to English, and you have to practice. Like, you have to learn a phrasal verbs and expression, and this is how you can improve your English, and you can get a better confidence while speaking that. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
that
also I watched a lot of videos on YouTube in English, and I listen music in English. And yeah, I do a lot of you know practice in English with my friends. You can say
yes,
this is how I I
yes.
am able to speak.
But Arshdeep, do you think that listening to music it affects it put impact on our English? Do you think?
No, no, not much. I think
Yes.
movies can help us. Otherwise, song is we.
Even
It's hard to get. Yeah,
even I
it's
don't
hard to
think that
get words.
impact. Even I don't think so. That movie, especially English movies like American and British. What
Yeah, yeah,
happened
yeah,
out there? What happened out there? They most of the time they're using slang words, which is
yeah, yeah, yeah,
unfamiliar. People we are unfamiliar with those words. So it's
yeah.
very hard to find out in a dictionary. It's very hard.
Yes, yes, you're right.
So
Yeah,
rather watching English movies, I prefer. No, I'm not imposing my opinion upon you and other
yeah,
people.
yeah, yeah.
My opinion,
You're right.
rather watching English movies, I prefer to watch Indian English cartoons
Yeah,
where
yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
fantastic,
You're right.
it's a
You're
fun and
right.
a fantastic as well. But Indian made only. It's called Indian English. It's called Indian English.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I
True,
think it's
true. Different
yes, it's a
from
different and
native English.
easy to understand. Easy to
Yeah,
understand.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. And easy to get and easy to speak. You can say
Yes,
native
yes.
English.
Yes, and if you don't understand anything, you can easily translate whatever you don't, whatever you are not aware of it. You can easily translate those words into the dictionary.
Yeah, yeah. Most of the phrasal verb I think you saw that they use very much and we don't. I think we have to update our English, and we have to get, English from native and we can easily speak, I think. It's my opinion as far
But
I
in
know about it.
but in my opinion, that I read a lot. A person,
Yeah, yeah.
if you want to up to date in your English, okay. So I think
Yeah,
you should
yeah,
read every half an hour or 10 minutes. It depends on you. You should read every day.
yeah,
You should read. You know what happened? What happened while reading? We got lots of time to understand the words, phrases, and if you don't
yeah,
understand, like we can translate meanwhile. So
yeah, yeah,
it's easy for me. It's easy for me.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. My subject was English, but there nobody, was, in English. They don't, choose. They didn't choose any, subject in English. But I chose that time, and I think it it is beneficial for me right now that I can easily, get words and I can easily understand the native speaker as well. And yeah, yeah, reading is also the main factor in order to improve our English. Yeah, you're right.
What you do, Arskar? What you do?
Right now, I'm working on my English. Like I'm preparing for IELTS exam. Do you
Yes,
know about it?
yes, yes. For
Yeah,
Canada, Canada.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So Canada is your second home. बोले ना, Canada is your
yeah,
second home. नानी का घर वहां पे
yeah.
है, हमारी नानी का घर कनाडा में है.
You are,
Yes,
you are
every
right. You are right.
yes,
You
every
are right.
Punjab people wants to go Canada. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good. So it means you are a
yeah.
student or what? You are a working woman. You are a student or what?
No, I am student. I have just completed my graduation in BCom.
In BCom, you have just
B
completed your
Yeah,
BCom.
yeah, I have completed. Yeah, right now I am I'm looking for business diploma in Canada.
Yes,
I
yeah,
will go for it.
yeah, definitely, definitely. That's really fantastic. Since how long have you been learning English through this platform?
I I say I just, got 1 month course on Cambly, and yeah, right now it has been going 2 months, for 2 months,
Yes.
yeah, to learning this language. Yeah.
And what was your study all about in Punjabi, English, or Hindi? What
What you said, I couldn't catch.
I said, I had said that what was your study all about? That how in which language did you learn your degree, BCom degree? In a Punjabi medium, Gujarati
Oh,
medium?
no, no, no. I did in English,
You did
but
in English.
yeah, yeah. I think me and my one of my friend who who did in English. Other girls and other students were choosing only Punjabi. We were only two girls who chose
Okay,
English side.
why you chose English? What is the reason behind it? Why you chose English?
Because I think Punjabi is my mother language and I know very well. And I
Mhm.
think I have to learn more about other language which I
Yes,
don't know. So that's why I was very keen to learn English at that time. And today I'm also, I'm fond of learning English. And yeah, I'm working on it. Hope so. I am able to
yes, yes.
speak
Yes,
clearly.
yes. Okay, what was your environment while studying a BCom? Your teacher taught you the English, the environment in English. They taught you in
Punjab.
English or Punjabi. How do you communicate things at that time?
Uh,
You know.
the environment was, mostly Punjabi. They,
That's the reason.
conversate.
That's the
Yeah, yeah,
reason. That's the reason our English medium students are not able to speak English. That's the main reason. Teachers
yeah,
are
yeah,
not teachers are not ready to create an environment inside the class.
yeah,
That's the main reason, in my opinion.
yeah. Right. Yeah, yeah. Right now, I found so many friends on internet, like mostly girls, from Karnataka and Maharashtra. And right now, I have a circle, who speak in English, and I love to connect with them. And every day I speak 1 hour with them. And yeah, right now I feel confident more. And yeah, that's
Yes,
that's it.
that's it. But it's require more and more practice to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For getting, more confidence, you have to speak every day, maybe 1 hour or more. And if you want to, be a confident girl, uh, you know, to be a confident in English. So yeah, we have to practice. I think practice is the key
Yeah,
to, speak fluently within, you can say, few months. And yeah, it depends on your hand and when and how you pick all of the words. And yeah, and how much you do practice every day. Yeah.
yes, yes. Well, I suggest you to practice on conditional sentence. If your conditional sentence will be perfect, it's very easy for you to make another
Yeah,
sentence.
I know conditional sentence very well. Like if you ask me right now, I will make conditional
No,
sentence
no,
in front of you.
well, I don't
Because
know. I don't know conditional sentence.
my grammar is good. You can say I have a passive English, but when it comes to active English,
Yes,
oh my God, then I do mess in
yes, yes.
English. Otherwise, if you ask me, in I do writing, and I think I'm good at it. But when it comes to speak, I, use very limited vocabulary, and I find difficulties. That's it. But otherwise, grammar I know very well. And conditional sentence I know it, like if you want, I will explain and give you
Yeah,
example
yes,
that
yes.
how
I
I use it.
understand. I understand. Yeah, yeah. I know you are a confident girl. You're a smart, confident girl. You're gonna definitely give me 100% right answer. But I suggest other people. If a person
Yeah, yeah,
It's conditional sentence will help them a lot.
Yeah,
It's good.
yeah, conditional sentence, you can say idiom expression and phrasal verbs, all of that you can say we need to know and yeah,
Conditional, joint words, linking words. There are so many things,
yeah, 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 right, right. You are right. Like,
That,
however, that's a very easy, I think, but if you if we try to speak in English, like in speaking, then we forget mostly. You know,
yes,
when
yes,
it
that's
comes
true.
to implement, then we forget that how we can implement in this conversation. Yeah, but in writing, everybody manage. I think.
Mhm. Everybody manage in the writing somehow.
Yeah,
Somehow.
yeah, yeah.
So